There's a point in every project where your tools either keep up or quietly slow you down. And that difference becomes very clear very quickly. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today we're taking a close, practical look at the Dewalt 20 volts max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit. DCK 240C2, a widely used two-tool setup designed for both serious DIY users and professionals who need reliability without overcomplication. This kit includes a compact drill/driver and a powerful impact driver, along with two 20 volts max batteries, a charger, and a carry bag. It's built for people who want a dependable, all-around solution for drilling, fastening, and general construction or home improvement work. If you regularly assemble furniture, handle repairs, or work on-site projects, this is immediately relevant. You'll find a purchase link in the description below. Here are the reasons to buy: Dewalt 20 volts max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit. The biggest advantage here is versatility. Having both a drill/driver and an impact driver in one kit allows you to handle a wide range of tasks without switching tools constantly. The drill is ideal for precision work like drilling holes or light fastening, while the impact driver delivers high torque for driving screws and bolts efficiently. Together, they cover most everyday and professional applications with consistency. The performance is dependable and well-balanced. The drill delivers up to 300 unit watts out UWO, which is sufficient for wood, metal, and general-purpose drilling. The impact driver, producing up to 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, handles tougher fastening jobs with ease. This combination gives you enough power without stepping into overly heavy or industrial-grade territory, making it practical for extended use. Compact design and ergonomics make a noticeable difference during real-world use. Both tools are lightweight and designed to fit into tighter spaces, whether you're working inside cabinets, overhead, or in confined corners. The grip feels natural, and the reduced weight helps minimize fatigue during longer tasks, which is often overlooked but highly valuable over time. Ownership experience is where this kit builds long-term value. It includes two batteries, allowing you to rotate power without interruptions, and integrated LED lights with a delay feature improve visibility in low-light conditions. The one-handed bit loading on the impact driver and a secure ratcheting chuck on the drill simplify operation. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it reflects a platform that has proven itself across both home and job site environments. Final verdict: this is a reliable, well-rounded combo kit that delivers exactly what most users need without unnecessary complexity. It's powerful enough for demanding tasks, yet compact enough for everyday convenience. That said, it doesn't include brushless motors, which some users may prefer for maximum efficiency and longer runtime, and it may not be the best fit for heavy-duty industrial workloads requiring higher torque levels. For DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, and even light professional use, it strikes a strong balance between performance, portability, and value. It stands out not by being extreme in any one area, but by being consistently dependable across all of them. If you're considering upgrading your toolkit or starting with a reliable foundation, take a moment to evaluate your needs and choose with confidence.